And then he laid himself on my hand. He was still alive. He just sort of leaned into me. And now I'm just holding this little yellow bird as he's breathing, and the breaths are getting shorter. But he seems calm and scared at the same time. And he takes one final breath in and one final small little breath out. And he dies in my hand. I had lost a few people by this age of 18. But honestly, that was the most intimate experience with death I had ever had. With me and the yellow bird. I hope in heaven, in bird heaven, wherever his energy flew to, I hope they don't have cages.